Metal Fabricators at this Gauteng-based business build sets for television shows. This skill is used across many industries such as building construction, shipbuilding, construction of bridges and highways, among others. The metal fabricators in this business combine various skills including boiler making, carpentry and welding. Safety is important at all times, and so metal fabricators wear PPE or personal protective equipment like goggles, gloves, safety shoes, full overalls and welding masks. Set building is the art and craft of constructing the sets or rooms for television shows. It all starts with a set designer who produces a finished picture of what the room must look like, as well as a technical drawing which supplies all the measurements of the steel that needs to be cut. The workshop supervisor uses the technical drawings to make a cutting list. Guided by the cutting list, the steel cutter, who has basic boiler making skills, then begins the construction using a bench grinder, which consists of a bench and other supports for the steel, and a metal grinder. To cut many pieces the same length, he sets up a jig, so he doesn't have to remeasure each new piece. The cut steel then goes to the welder. Using an arc welder, he joins the separate pieces together, also following the technical drawing. At this stage, the basic steel structure, or the hidden steel structure that strengthens the final product, has been fabricated. It may, for example, be the structure for a floor or a wall. An operator using a baby grinder then smoothens the welding joints. This ensures that when the wood is added, it sits flat on the steel structure. Carpentry operators then use a table saw to cut the wood, also according to the technical drawing measurements. A router is used to cut circular shapes. This industrial vacuum gets rid of the sawdust. The next process is the wood cladding. This happens in 4 steps. The steel and wood are drilled, then glue is applied, then the screws, and finally a coat of polyfiller, which is sanded down to ensure that the holes in the wood don't show after it's been painted. The router is used to take off excess wood. A palm sander smoothens the polyfiller, and this more powerful belt sander is used for complex jobs like making angles in the wood. Once complete, the separate pieces of the set are bolted together. Metal fabrication is a trade, and the minimum requirement is 40% in mathematics at grade 9 level or a national certificate, level 2. Apprenticeships and mentorships are available. A good metal fabricator needs attention to detail and a very good eye for accuracy. Besides these TV sets, their skills ensure the safety of the buildings, highways, bridges and roads we use in our everyday lives.